Namaste, Rasikas. Padma here. A message about this weekend. We are offering a meditation intensive this weekend that I will be leading, and it is from 1 to 5 on Saturday and 12 to 4 on Sunday. Don't let those hours scare you off. There'll be quite a bit of theory in addition to some practice based on your level. This is an all levels workshop, and really see it more as a stress management workshop, or truly how to take the stress in your life and transform it into something useful, powerful, and something that truly transforms and builds you in your life. It's one of our most popular workshops, and today only, flash promo, it is half off. And so please make sure you call up here or click on the link that is enclosed in this email. And I am happy to answer any questions that you might have about it. I am here at our school until this evening. I will be teaching and working with people off and on, so please feel free to send me a text at 832-620-1316, 832-620-1316. And even if you are not able to stay for the entire workshop, I do encourage you to do so. I do encourage you to be there both days, but if you're like, I already got that, that party or that activity that I need to go to Sunday afternoon, I can come Saturday. Hey, at half off, you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You're not going to walk away from this workshop going, wow, I should not have done that. I can tell you that you will walk away from that workshop with an expanded, higher, new, and fresh perspective on your life, your relationships, and everything that you deal with on a day-to-day basis. So much love to you all. Peace. Click on the link and come on in. Namaste.